Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Come get ready with me for the day. Sana hindi tayo malate. I already prepared my lunch. I'll show you guys. Ito, prepare ko for my lunch. Purple cabbage, carrots, and cucumber, and gochujang. So, magbibibimbap ako later. Healthy. Anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna prep our face. Ito na lang yung pang-prep ko. Kasi wala na akong time. Late na actually eh. Actually, hindi pa lang late. So, and then, sunblock, I'm using BLK Cosmetics today. 50 SPF. Ito ay kay Daddy. Kinuha ko lang sa bahay. Hindi ko na naman nabalik. Hanapin na naman yan. Ayan, patuyuin lang natin. Super bilis lang talaga ng makeup sesh ko every morning. Ito, nagka-camera ko ngayon para meron ako pang vlog. Wala na akong battery. Oh my gosh. Kung kailan I decided to vlog my morning. Tsaka siya nawalan ng battery. Wait lang. Hey guys, so parehas lobat yung battery ko. So we're gonna film na lang dito muna sa laptop. So ayun, nasa na ba ako? So the brushes nabili ko sa maangga yata yung tamang word for that. So dito yung pang concealer at anyway, ito yata yung pang concealer. For bronzer, I'm using Popic. Sobrang ganda nito guys. Marirecommend ko to sa inyo, promise. Mas mabilis pa yung kamay ko yata. Or baka nagmamadali lang ako kaya. We're done with this. See the difference? Before and after. Under eye ko lang siya nilalagay tsaka dito sa may cheeks. And then, we're gonna do bronzer. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto ko mag-bronzer every time na mag-workout. Ayan. So, I'm using MAC. From my mom na naman kasi alam mo naman tayo, wala tayo nakuha sa gamit niya. Hindi pa siya nababalik. Anyway, guys. I'm using, again, the brush of Maanke. This one. Super simple lang. I don't want to put a lot. Okay, so, we're using the shade. Ito. Kasi ayoko nang masyadong, ngayon. Sobrang pigmented niya, guys. Kaya dito ko man siya nilalagay. Mamadali tayo, guys, kasi I don't wanna be late. Kasi ang dami kong gagawin sa office. May tatapusin pa akong pinagagawa sa akin ni attorney. So, we don't wanna be late. Yan. Tap lang siyang ganyan. I think this one's okay. And then, using ko na lang siya ng brush na ganito. Kasi, ano na naman to eh, for blending na lang naman eh. Yung blush ko is liquid lang, guys. I would recommend this. Happy Skin. Ang tagal na nito sa akin, pero hindi pa siya nauubos. January pa ito ibigay sa akin ng aking tita. December pa pala ito. Kasi ayoko dito, kasi it would look saggy. Ayan na yan, guys. I'll just adjust na lang mamaya. I don't wanna be light. So, for the lips, ito din. Hinahanap ko yung lip oil ko, hindi ko makita. Ayan, I'll just blower my hair and then I'll put some keratin. Ito, the best to, guys. Kung mabaho yung hair mo, ito, promise. Mura lang to, affordable lang to. Guys, I have to go and I'll see you guys later.